Hey everybody, welcome to Mammoth Interactive's YouTube channel. First of all, I want to thank you for watching this video. And remember that this channel doesn't do Patreon. Instead, we sell our digital courses down below. And every single dollar that we get from the products you buy below goes into making more content. The best way to help out this channel and Mammoth Interactive is to subscribe to Mammoth Interactive's huge library of content. Get thousands of hours and hundreds of courses for a low price down below. We have a monthly option and a yearly option. Thanks for listening, and I'll see you in the video.
Hey everybody, welcome to this tutorial. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to add in some slow-mo effects or time dilation. Now, this is a really cool and really easy effect to do. So, first things first, let's go ahead and let's set up everything so that we know it works, and then I'm going to show you a couple of other things, okay? So let's go ahead and let's add, go to our third-person blueprint here. You can do this in the first-person blueprint too. Doesn't really matter. Let's go ahead, let's hop in here, and you can see that, well, we have our nice graph here. So what we're going to do first is we're just going to add in a key, or keyboard P. There we go. And so we're just basically going to add in a few, basically a few key presses so that we know it works, okay? So let's go ahead, and on the key press, we're going to say set global time dilation, okay? So if we do that here and we just basically push P, well, nothing changes. Okay, so what does that mean here? So basically the time dilation here is 0. If we put this, however, to something like 0.5, okay, let's compile, let's play it again. So we're playing, push the P key, and there you go, you're at 0.5. Now this is technically slower, but the question is how much should you slow it down? And this is something that you would probably you'd probably have to play around with quite a bit. Even if you put this at, let's say, 0.9, that's not going to be noticeable enough to the player. Okay, so let's do 0.2 and see how that is. All right, so let's go ahead, and there we go. Push the P key, and that looks like the slow-mo you tend to see in games. So 0.2, 0.3 is pretty good. Let's add in another key here. So let's add in the keyboard L, and we're going to, again, set global time dilation. Okay, so we're going to add in the global time dilation here. We're going to make that 1.0. Okay, and while we're here, let's add in the keyboard O, and we're going to set global time dilation, and that global time dilation is going to be fairly easy to do here, and it's, let's just say it's 5.0. So we're going to have slower, normal, 5. All right, so the P key here and the O key, if we push the O key, yes, so let's go ahead, and I think that's the 0 key, so the P key, keyboard O, I think that's it. Let's try that again. So we got the P key and the O key, and then you're running really fast, and then the L key returns us to normal. Okay, and now of course you can do anything that you want with any kind of event here, but basically that's what it is. So let's do that again just for fun. We got the P, we got the O, and then we got the L, normal. And you can play around with this as much as you want. If we make this 10, it starts to be a little bit ridiculous. So if we do this here, I mean, that's just like, you know, you can't even control yourself. But there's actually almost a game in there, you know, kind of a reaction game. But you can see here that the time is sped up quite a bit. Okay, there we go. And, you know, let's put that down to 5. So basically, these are the good 3 options that you are looking for here. You're more than welcome to play it. Also, please be sure to like and subscribe. The more likes and subscribes you get, the more free content we can make. As of now, this channel isn't monetized, so please help us get monetized. Thanks, and I'll see you in another video.